Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to dive into the landmark case of Durga Prasad versus Baldeo 1881, a pivotal decision in contract law. This case revolved on the concept of consideration, a fundamental element in the valid contract. We will discuss the facts of the case, legal arguments, and the court ruling. Let's analyze this case. Facts of the case: Durga Prasad established two grain markets in India and Burwan operated as a commission agent within these markets. 1875, a verbal agreement was made between the two where the broker agreed to pay commission of 6 annas to Durga Prasad. Durga Prasad later sought to formalize this agreement by having it registered with the municipal corporation. Legal arguments: plaintiff arguments. Durga Prasad argued that a verbal agreement which was acted upon by both parties over several years constituted a valid contract. He emphasizes that his efforts in establishing and maintaining the green market was substantial and benefited Bonder directly. This is a consideration. Bonder resisted the formation of this argument, leading to the legal confrontation. He argued that the agreement was not legally binding and it's not a valid contract under Indian contract law. Court ruling: the High Court of the jurisdiction at Allahabad ruled in favor of Durga Prasad. The court held that the verbal agreement constituted as a valid contract as the consideration provided by Durga Prasad was executed at the desire of Bonder and benefited him directly. The court emphasizes that consideration must be something of value given in exchange of promises and that agreement meant to be requirements of a valid contract under its significance. This case is a cornerstone in the study of contract law in India, particularly in understanding the concept of consideration. In this case, highlighted the importance of mutual consent and fulfilling contractual obligations even in the absence of formal documentation. In conclusion, this case underscored a legal principle of consideration and enforceability of verbal agreements. This case serves as a reminder of the importance of clear communication and mutual contracts in forming valid agreements. Stay tuned to our channel for more in-depth analysis and legal cases. Thank you.